Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Interview Point of View. I would like to say, this is just a small way to help you people to get a job, and I feel gratitude from bottom of my heart so that I got some initiative to help you people. Thank you so much for watching. Please do watch till the end of the video so that you can get the questions. By the way, today I am back with the TCS round 2 questions, and also I have bought answers for this in this session. So today I'm going to explain both questions and answer for you. Let's start the video. We'll get in for the first question. Before that, before setting any of the interview, make sure that uh, you are with one physical resume and one for photo proof, I mean, one government proof, ID, Aadhaar, PAN, like that, just to make sure that you're ready. Okay, some companies will take some photos, some won't be taking or asking this, but make sure that you are ready with this. Okay. But a resume is compulsory. If they ask or if they don't ask, it's your responsibility and it's your confidence level that you can define you very well. Okay. Keep this in mind and let's start our video. Okay. Today I'm back with TCS round 2. Yeah. This was happened with me. This is the real questions which I gone through in the interview. I have noted down for you people and I have brought an answer with you to you also. Okay, let's start. So first question. So here the interviewer first actually in a round two he also like directly jump into the questions only, directly triggering questions. Then he's like okay, he's bit urgent, so he just dive into the asking questions. So first he started with automation questions only. So first, and almost you can see the scenario-based questions. What he asked me. Okay. So first he asked, how do you decide which these cases to automate? Here it shows the whatever the experience you have and whatever the scenarios that you have came across in your current organization and how you are going to tackle everything will be shown in this fun one only one question. Okay. So while answering, be careful. While answering the scenario based questions, be careful that defines your experience, knowledge, and the scenarios you came across. Fine. Okay. So say you when you are going to start with the answering. So be sure first you have to give some catchy answers. Like first of all, when do you automate this case? You just tell that. Okay. On what basis you are going to divide the test cases? I know we can't. No, we can't automate complete test cases. Okay. But on what basis you are going to divide. So, for example, I have brought you the answers like this. I have scripted the answer like this, and even I explained in this way for the interviewer. Okay. So I just told I'll rely on risk-based testing. So wherever the risk shows, I'll just rely on this risk-based testing. Okay. Approach combined with an ROI feasibility assessment, and also make a note. If you don't know what is ROI feasibility assessment, don't stress this keywords. Okay, whatever you know, just stress that keywords. If you are confident enough with the stressing keywords, so just keep on telling the keywords, or else don't go with the keywords. Okay, immediately you will get then questions based on that. So if you don't know by that time means it will be like very 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 embracing moment. So if you know only you can use it. Okay. So yeah. I rely on risk-based testing approach combined with ROI feasibility assessment to guarantee that the time spent with writing code translates directly into faster release cycles and higher product quality. This is how I. It's just an example. You can alter or you can write your own. Okay. So this is the first question what I got and what I have answered. We'll move on to the next question. Which test cases would you not automate? Okay, it's just vice versa. First question. Yeah, I told frequency changing UIs, unstable features, anti automatic security controls, low frequency, one time, and this third one you can make points, sub points, okay, and that. So at last, I just gave a block of a sentence so that I can complete my answer. While I can check if an element is displayed using Java assertion, verifying the actual visual appeal and user experience require human intuition. I leave usability to manual testers or recommend dedicated visual regression tools like API tools if strictly necessary. This is what I.
Yeah, this is what I have answered. And also, while finishing the answer, make sure you will be given the block of sentence that you can finish completely. Okay, be moving on to the next question. Is 100% automation possible? Yeah, answering yes or even theoretically yes is a major red flag. Yes, for interviews, it shows lack of. So just throw your answer in a one word that is no. Then you can explain. Okay, so be confident while giving the short answers, especially this kind of questions. You should be in this question also. He will gain interview will gain the confidence at what confidence you will deliver the speed you will be deliver your answer. Okay, these are the measurable points in your in this question. And yeah, after saying the yes or no, you can give your explanation page by page. That doesn't matter, but you have to be very sharp for this kind of question. Okay, next we'll move on to the next question, that important things to consider when logging a bug. Yes, this is very important question. As a QE also, we should be knowing this much. Okay, this is a basic questions as I know, and this is not a very big question, but this is basic, and you must be nail for this question because this is a very clear cut and a very straightforward question. So, so for this, I would like to say make some points. Um, or else you can do like this also. Just to visualize the Jira thing. What are the things you are going to write? What are the things you need to attach? What you want to what you will be doing in your regular in your organization. Just to visualize and just to nail the answer, nail it. Okay. So this is what even I have did, and I'll be doing this. Okay, this is a quick tip for you guys. Make a use. So I have just written answer like this. When logging a bug, my primary objective is to make it reproducible, isolated, and actionable. On the very first read, our developer should never have to ping me to ask, how did you get this? I split my bugging checklist into the three areas, that is high level triage metadata, the core technical proof, and automation environment context. So yeah, this you can take as an example, that's all. And it's just explanation what is the importance of logging a bug. Okay, just I usually do like visualize the Jira, and I'll through summary. Even I can visualize, even now also I'm visualizing and turning summary, and environment found in, and the attachments are very important, and the description and the steps to reproduce um, majorly, and yeah, if possible and attach the video and severity priority. Yeah, you should be framing the answers like this. Okay, so we'll be moving on to the next question, that is question 5. Where do you write your test case, in Excel or some other tool? Okay, so for this question, actually you're following in your organization, you can tell that directly. Okay, you can say like this also. For initial documentation or a review purpose, I am going to write in an Excel sheet. Then I'll formatize that to review this. Once I get approved, I'll just pull this test cases to the tool. So for in our current organization, we'll be utilizing the Zephyr. So accordingly, I used to write the test case. Then after the approve, I used to pull before the test case. I mean before the production. So this is what I have answered. Next, coming to the Java concepts. Yeah, he actually suddenly pitched into the Java concepts. So he asked me what is a hash map and what is hash set, what are the difference, and it's related questions like where do you going to apply hash map, where do you going to apply hash set. So these are the questions for hash map and hash set. If you come to Java concepts, you have to directly answer. You can't theoretically you can't drag, you have to be specified. What is hash map, what is hash set, that's all. And if he asks to correlate with, you have to give a difference, that's all. Next, array and array list, difference between array and array list. Yeah, this is also clear and straightforward question. What is array? You have to explain array and array list, then you have to give a difference. Next, what is collection in Java? Yeah, these are the core concepts of Java. And why is string immutable in Java? Actually, this where I went some. I my confidence was very low because I was not knowing this answer, and I was not expected to get this kind of questions. But I'll tell you, please be prepared for everything. Okay, why I know string is immutable, but why I was not aware. So be prepared. Okay. Next, difference between collection and collections. This is pure core Java concept. And this also difference between string buffer and string builder. Uh, yeah. Actually, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I have just answered, I guess, um, 4 or 5 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, this I tried. Interviewer got to know that I was not up to marks, so he just suddenly moved on to the next question. And for this also, I was jumped for this question also. So I can tell you, I just answered confidently 4 questions here. But guys, you have to prepare for all because everybody will not be the same. Yeah, even though I have answered 4 questions, he just selected me for the next round. Congratulates me, congratulate in the comment section. But I suggest you to prepare for all the things. You have to just nail it, if you get a chance. I mean, if you know everything, you have to just nail it, or else, okay, fine, let it be. We have another interview. That's all. Okay, we'll move on to the next. So after this core Java concept, he moved on to the API testing concept. So API means we all know that compulsory status codes will be our favorite questions, and interview is also favorite question. So he just asked me, uh, what is like he directly asked me what you on the what basis you are going to decide whether it is successful or not, like that. Okay, then I just told 200 is a successful series. If you get 200 series, we are gonna consider that it is a successful. So likewise, we have I only started answering like the status code series, whatever I know. Like I just started with 200 and 300 redirectional, 400 for this issues for not guys, don't forget about 403. 403 is very popular nowadays. 403 is unauthorized. um, 500 for internal server error. So there are some codes which is mandatorily you must know and you have to go through, and don't forget guys, like they'll ask what is 201, when do you get 201, when do you get 403, when do you get 402, when do you get 503, 502 is not implemented. Likewise, you have to tell 400 is for bad request whenever we have this bad request, whenever this client side is not authorized, whenever it is not implemented. Likewise, you have to give some explanations for this course as well. Okay, this is regarding 12th. Next, the difference between put versus patch. Yeah, there is no doubt we have too many methods, so we can get anything here. Put, create, patch, and delete. So many things are there. CRUD operations. CRUD operations. Create, update, retrieve, delete. So there are so many things. So be prepared for all. And this is the most popularly asked, because put and patch will do the same work, but only thing is we have some difference. Only one difference is there. Okay, you have to specify, and also your if you specify independent keyword, that makes you a bonus. I mean, it's a nail killing answer for that. So just go and uh, okay. Then yeah, yeah, he asked me about GitHub comments. It's very this is also very important. So he asked me like scenario based. Okay, he is what he asked me. Okay, first he asked me, yeah, you are done with your changes in your local actually. Then what you are going to do? He just asked me like this. So I told stage everything and I'll push to this Git. So then he started picking the questions. Oh, Git. So how you're going to deploy your Git, and what branch you're going to deploy, and how you are going to commit. Do you know that comment? Git diff, git push, git dot add. What is the difference between git add, git dot add? Um, so there are yeah. He just on looping he kept on asking the question. So this is the last question that he asked. And at last, he asked, "Do you have anything for me to ask?" Likewise, after asking these questions on and on, actually it took 1 hour. No, it's nearly 1 hour. That's 50 to 55 minutes. Yeah, yeah. At last, he asked, like, "Do you have anything for me?" Yeah, I just told, expressed my gratitude. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for taking my interview. Hmm. So just I wanted to know where I'm a bit lagging. I know I just lagged, and I know even actually I know, but I just wanted to know from your mouth where I can improve myself. This is what I just asked. So he told some points that made me that made me yeah that made me actually confident. uh, he didn't actually praise me also. He didn't also scolded me, or he didn't said negatively anywhere. But the way he handled me is very well. I thought I was like, okay. Even I got confident. Okay, I'll be selecting. So this is what my interview happened. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Keep watching my videos. If you have anything to ask me, please comment down. I'll be ready to answer for your question. If you have anything, or if you want a request for any company videos, so even though if I have not attended also, I'll there to help you guys. So please ask me if you wanna request anything, any company's interview. Please comment down with the company's name. I'll yeah, I'll be what to say. Yeah, I'll try to get for you. Okay. Thank you so much for watching till the end. So don't skip. Please do watch completely. This is a small way to helping you people. Thank you so much for that. Please do support, follow, share, subscribe. You'll get notified. That's all. Thank you so much.